What's up, dancers? Welcome to tutorial for Get Ugly by our favorite, Jason Derulo. Let's get started. Nice wide position. We're gonna have these little hips. Side, side, side. So we're just rolling through the toe and the hip, using that right hip and right hip. Arms are just going forward, forward, forward 3 times, and the hips are gonna go around one big circle all the way around to the other side. Now left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side again, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This time, 2 times. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Face in the front. We start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Booty around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Single hips. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 times. 7, 8. Left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 times. 7, 8. And remember, those hands are just opposition. So if it's the right leg out, the left hand's going to be forward, and then the right arm. Opposition 3 times, same time on the left. If the left leg's going forward, the right arm first with it. Back arm, back arm, back arm. No arms around single or double. Next section, we're going to get our fighting arms ready. We're going to take it right, 2, left, 2, up, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, 2, left, 2. And then we're going to hop back 5, 6, 7, 8 with that left knee up. Great, now we're going to add some arms. Starting with that right arm, we go right fist, left fist. And we're going to get nice and low. We're going to walk it up, start with that right foot. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice and low. We're going to fill those quads. And we go again, right hand and right leg. This time we go up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to pony back and push up with the left foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, nice and low. Pa, 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 pa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go section 1 and 2 together, facing the front. Starting with that right side, 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Single around. Left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Single right. Right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 times. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Arms. Right and left. Take it low. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Hop it back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3. Get ready. Twist, twist. Take it up, up high, and pony. 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Time for the chorus. We're into the feet first. We step out right, then left. Then we go right, left, tap, step, tap, tap, hold, hold, tap, 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 tap. Now the arms are going to go elbows, throw up, elbows, throw the hands up, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So you start going to the left side, but the right foot goes and down 1. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Opposition arms. Tap, tap. Facing the front. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7 again. And when we go to the side, we want to pop the chest and the booty. Tap, tap, tap. Now we also get a chance to sing here. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, na, na, na. All together. All 4 of those sticks in the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, na, na, na. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. After that, we have a little bridge. We go to the right, serving at 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just step together, step together. The hands are palms up and we're serving it up. So you can see from the side, 1, 2, 3, 4. We go right, then left. 1, 2, 3, left, 5, 6, from the top. 3 times, 2, 3, and around to the left. 3 times, 2, 3, and around. Again, 3 times to the right, double. 3 times to the left, double, going right back into that chorus. Take it up, take it back. Elbows strong, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, na, na, na. 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Again, nice and slow with that bridge. Slow, 2, 3, clap, or butt slap. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, this time we double tempo it. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. There you go, side, front, side, front. I'll show it from the side so you can see the double time. This is single. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is double. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So, we go to the front, slow and slow, and we pick up that tempo. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, facing left wall. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, back to the front. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, right side. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Chorus, elbow, elbow. We take it up. Arm, arm. We take it back. One more time. We'll do it full out here. Up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On the 8, the third time through, we have a little break in music. You would turn. Woo! Right there. And we go into elbows. Elbows. Yeah, the only thing different on this part is that the tempo starts to pick up. So we're going to really work those elbows, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. A little bit faster. Na, na, na. Again, 2 times each, and then we end by going up to the mirror with our fighting arms, getting ready, and take it back, tap, tap 2 times. That's all the moves. Let's dance it.